Welcome to the graduation of the Mackinac Feline Finishing School class of 2023. Who are the island kitties this year, the first being the fishes, and now we have the islands. These kitties have worked hard and long for a whole month to learn everything they need to know, and now they're graduating. First of all, they're going to tear the room up, and then they're going to graduate. All right. We would normally be singing Pomp and Circumstances here, but you're very lucky in that we're not going to do that this time. We're going to do a very quick graduation because these kitties need to have their supper and go to bed. They have a big day ahead of them tomorrow. They're all going to go get jobs. All right, here we have Miss Fiji. Miss Fiji, I present to you this diploma on how to play with all the toys in this room very fast. She has incredible fine motor skills. So congratulations, Fiji, for working hard and graduating.
I don't think she's ready to graduate yet.
This is little Tasmania. She likes to lie on her back. Tasmania, she's the twin of Fiji. We could tell that she's Tasmania because of this beautiful green collar. Tazzy, I present to you this diploma in honor of your hard work and you're graduating from Mackinac Feline Finishing School. Tasmania is a very famous kitten in this litter. She is the winner of the Weight Gain Award. This kitty has managed pounds with eating practically nothing every night and having to be begged to eat and fed for the first part of her life. But now she's fat and happy and ready to move on in her life. We anticipate that she will become a dietitian in her career. Tazzy, congratulations, my dear. You're now a graduate. Next we have, are you starting it again?
Next week, go ahead.
Next we have Kiawa, our beautiful shiny, beautiful black shiny kitty. Kiawa, here is your diploma.
She can't hang on to it.
What a smart kitty. This kitty, Kiawa, from day one, walked into our house and said, "Hi, my name is Kiawa, and I will be the fiercest and most beautiful cat of all." She is not afraid of anything. She's willing to try anything, and she has piercing green eyes. Congratulations. Maui, who has already stolen someone's diploma over here. Maui, she wins the award for the best groomed kitty. She excelled in learning kitten grooming, and look at this beautiful fur that she has managed to keep pristine, clean, and beautiful. Congratulations, Maui, and we hope that you'll be able to open your string of kitten hairdressing salons soon with the knowledge that you have learned from moo cats. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Wait, She's washing her butt, okay?
This is what you do before graduation.
What?
Have a little wash.
We're gonna have to move over here. It's not a kitten. She's the mom. Miss Beautiful Mackinaw. Named after Mackinac Island, Michigan. And that was your diploma that you just batted out of my hand. Congratulations, Mackinaw. Mackinaw was the teacher in very many of these courses. She taught her kittens how to do just about everything they need to know as cats. And plus she learned a few tricks herself. She is an excellent, excellent mother. She raised these beautiful little kittens in her last litter ever.
And she really is an affectionate, sweet little kitty who purrs. She will sit next to you. She
loves
didn't pass with flying colors being picked up, but she loves being petted, and she will sit next to you, and after she gets to trust you, she will sit in your lap and let you pet her. She'll sleep with you. She's a great cat.
Congratulations, Mackinaw, and best of luck to all of the islands in their future endeavors. We can flip their tassel now. They are graduates with all honors that come with that. Here's to the class of 2023.
Hip, hip, hooray.
And what we have left now is the old Moo Cat School song, which the kittens would sing with me, but unfortunately none of them passed the music appreciation class. Hail to Moo Cats, our alma mater dear. We hope that we never have to come back here, even in a year, because the boys are going to be neutered and the girls are going to spay. So that will make everybody happy forever and a day. All hail to Moo Cats. Hip hip, meow.
Hooray.
Hip hip, meow. Hip hip, meow. And we're safe. You understand that? Tonight, so you need to say your goodbyes, Mackinaw, to your babies. And babies, you need to say goodbye to your sisters and to your mama, because you will be separated except for the 2 pairs of kittens. They'll be in the same kennel. We have enjoyed having you here so much, and we hate that you have to go, but that's the very nature of growing up, that you have to move on to new things as you get older. You've learned enough now to make it in the big wide world, and we hope that you will be extremely successful in your future endeavors.